Sanwanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. I was waiting to at least see if one of them Silugus were going to post Uvuyo for her birthday. And this was, I mean, obviously when Vuyo's birthday, obviously when people started sending in and sharing her pictures, this was way before even the whole thing of her being engaged came out. Hi, bo guys. Now I was expecting at least to see Umusamselegu, since he was the one that keeps saying that he has hope that Ryogas is gonna come back and Tony. I expected to see him posting her, but I don't know why, because they don't follow one another anymore. Or I expected to see Umayimi at least post Uvuyo. Cause yeah, Mayeni lives with one of Vuyo's children. I don't know, you guys. I expected at least to see Umnyagazo from any of them. But hi, guys. It was quiet, quiet. Not even one of them, none of them. Umpumelelo fine, umpumelelo they exes. Not even one of them posted her, you guys, and wished her a happy birthday. The only thing close to anything Selegu that wished a happy birthday is the page Utando Temple and that Honey TV, the production of Izingane's Temple. And that obviously is different because, I mean, Uvuyo guys, she's a working cast member with them. Hi guys, I don't know. I even waited like a day later and then went to go and check. Uh, went to go and check that just to, see that maybe they were late or anything like that. But obviously, if they were late, then later on, the whole thing came out of her being engaged and all of that. But none of them, you guys. And I don't know for you, but for me, I feel like it's just a confirmation that, yeah, there's no longer ubudlelwane between Uvuyokazi and the Msilego family. Maybe it's just that type of thing of, yes, she's the mother of our child or mother. Why am I saying child? She's the mother of our children. But besides that, nothing, nothing. I'm curious to know, maybe what happened, you guys, because not even one of them, not even Usne, not even the siblings, no one, you guys, posted her. And I'm just like, guys, angazi, ke maybe if it was the meeting that she once called or what exactly, but it just seems like the relationship is, it doesn't seem like there's a, it doesn't seem like there's a, the relationship there. I could be wrong. Maybe there's a cordial relationship because she's the mother of their kids, but I didn't see anyone post her. I don't know, guys, if I should say, sometimes, we should not, believe too much. Like in these families that say they love us, don't, and all of that. I really am curious to know, what really happened because whatever happened between her and Umpumelelo, but that doesn't change Uvuyokazi's position in the children's life. And that's why I think I expected someone to at least wish her happy birthday. Maybe they wished her side, but not on the socials. They didn't post a song as you guys. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Do you think it's not that deep, or do you feel like it is a subliminal message? Yoguti, sometimes when a family says they love you, they don't really love you. They love you because you still love their son. But the moment konke lokho kuphela, yeah, guys. Anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.